In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add documents in your ClickUp account. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the top right to access your profile, and then from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. On the next window, scroll down and go under Integrations and Click Apps, then click on Imports and Exports. From here, we're going to click on Import Items, and then from the numerous options, we're going to go under Import from Local Files and then click on Document. Now, we can either drag and drop a file or browse from our computer. So, let's have this sample document for this video. Open, wait for a few seconds, and once you see this, it means your file is ready for import. Simple as that. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.